all the time without registering a business. You don't have to file in order to be a corporation. You can be a sole proprietorship. Right. It's perfectly legal.
Right.
So that's the most direct answer I can give you, is that we see this all the time. This is probably something Rachel had intended to do, never got around to doing it, but obviously with these new things coming on, it's in her best interest and the company's interest. There's no secret here. I mean, whether she registered a week ago or a year ago, it doesn't change the claims that she's going to have to answer for if the product harms people.
So is that illegal to do business in California? Let's say in this case, California. Is that legal to do a business in California without a registered company? I don't think so, because you have to pay tax. That's the way how to go around and without paying tax to the state.
I can tell you 100% you're wrong. Sole proprietors run businesses all the time. Okay. Let's look at a mom and pop nail shop. That's a business. They pay taxes, but they pay different types of taxes because they're sole proprietors.
Okay.
It doesn't make their business illegal.
Okay.
They're fully able to run a business as a sole proprietorship. All that does is it's a type of entity. If you're a sole proprietorship, you're open to liability personally.
Okay. So then if it's working out for them, why did she have to register just a week ago? Like you said, now she just like, oh.
Because we don't want to lose the
now it's like.
No, I mean, there's other business
because
purposes.
it's very concern for consumer like us.
Rachel can answer that directly, but what I can tell you is you asked me, is it illegal? It's not illegal that she was running it as a sole proprietorship, and now she's registered it as a corporation. In fact, that's what we advise all of the business owners to do in the Vietnamese community.
To give it out there, you know.
Because they start off as sole proprietorship, it costs money to register. As a business, these are added costs.
$800. That's all I can say.
These are practical concerns that I see business owners all the time in the Vietnamese community. They have to make these choices. They have to cut corners if they want to make it. It's very practical that they wait until their businesses are established until they would do this, register, become a corporation. A lot of times they start out, they have nothing. So there's no point to registering because their personal liability and the corporation's liability is the same. But that's a legal question. I'm answering that part of it.
Okay.
Dạ vâng, thưa cô chú, câu hỏi của chị đó là tại sao mà công ty không có register cái name một năm về trước mà tại sao mới làm trong tháng 10 này? Thì luật sư Mike có trả lời cũng như là chị Rachel có trả lời. Chị Rachel nói là tại vì hồi trước chị